Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Dodge Charger and I will show you how to remove and replace the side marker lights or the side marker light bulbs. This video will apply to Dodge Chargers made from 2006 all the way up to 2010. Okay, now to remove this small side light you won't really need any kind of tools, because there is no screws holding it in place. There is just one small black tab which has to be pushed and the light will just pop out. Once the light is out, then you can disconnect it, replace the light bulb or replace the light assembly itself. Now I will try to record that black tab. You can see this like white marking on a wire. That's the side marker light wire and the connector, and just above that connector there is a small black tab. Now once you squeeze your hand inside, first you want to locate that wire, grab onto the wire and then go just above it, and you will feel like a small tab which you can push, and then that light should just pop out just like this. Okay, so once you have the small light out, there is just one thing left to do. You'll have to disconnect the wiring. Now there is a connector right here and there is a small black tab which you have to press and pull the connector off. I will have to use probably both of my hands so this light doesn't fall on the ground, but this is the idea. Just press here onto this connector and pull the wiring off. Now I will show you how to replace the light bulb. All you have to do is just turn this socket counterclockwise and remove it. As you can see, mine is completely black, it's burnt, so just pull it out and install a new one in. And once you have a new light bulb in the socket, put the socket back in and you can pop this back to your Dodge Charger. And by the way, this is that black clip I was mentioning, so when you're removing this light, you just want to press onto this and it's just gonna pop out. Okay, now the other side, the driver's side marker light, might be a bit more difficult to remove, only because there isn't too much space here to squeeze your hand inside. Now you have a couple of options. I mean, I can probably do it with my hand, but if you have a bigger hand than me, one option is to remove the air box. That way you'll get much more space here. Your other option is to remove these plastic fasteners right here, and then you can easily do it through this opening to reach that tab. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.